What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over for an SPX massive pump today. We're sitting at $1.80, heading towards our target. We're up 22% on the day. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. But we're currently in trades for Giga and Ethereum. Both are in profits. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, just hang around to the end of the video. Market cap 1.68 billion, 24-hour volume 169 million. So if we look at the chart, this is what we're looking for, $2.05 in the wave 3. Now we are starting to see a massive push to the upside. So the micro count, as you can see right here off this low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the two targets to watch is $1.87 and $2.06. Now it can overextend and push higher, but those are your normal targets for a wave 3 and then pull back in a wave 4. I talked to you guys about the inverse head and shoulders, small inverse head and shoulders right here. The target is 229, and as you can see, we're breaking out. We're climbing the stairs. We're going into price discovery for SPX. So once we do hit $1.87 or 205, we could pull back 3, 4, 5, push a little bit higher, but in the $2 range, I wouldn't be surprised to see a larger pullback because we're completing a few different wave counts. If we zoom out, so off this low of all the way down here, which was all the way back in March, 25 cents, we're almost completing that 5-wave move. So once that happens, I mean, we go into alt season, price can just go shoom, it can just fly. But once we complete that 5-wave move, you could see a bit of a larger pullback, maybe to around $1.30, $1.40 before continuation up. I do think we'll very easily get above $20 this cycle. I know MURAD's calling for $100 a coin. Even $50 is very possible because alt season is just absolutely nuts and we haven't even started yet. If I show you guys the Bitcoin dominance, alt season has not even started. So there's so much more market to look forward to. As you can see here, we haven't even broken this channel on the Bitcoin dominance. Once this channel breaks and you start to see that massive drop, just as we did right here and just as we did back here, this was what, 2017, and then your 2021 cycle was right here. So once we start to break that channel, that's when you see a massive alt season that goes on for months and months, and it just melts your face, it blows your mind, and it drops your jaw. And once we see that for SPX doing so well already, even though alt season hasn't started, I wouldn't be surprised to see above $20 a coin, hopefully $50 a coin, but we'll have to see how it plays out. That's what I'm looking at for SPX. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're currently in 2 trades, which are in profits. Take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. There's no strings attached, and then send me an email. This is one of the top exchanges. You can also trade SPX on here or invest. We're not trading SPX, we're just believing in something. And I'll send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX. My exact trade setups were in 2 trades, which are in profits. What I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits, almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.